Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, and welcome to the Day Trader. My name is Martyn Lucas. I'm here with you every day on the opening and closing bell. Of course, we won't be here over the weekend, and we're not here on Monday for respect to Martin Luther King. It's a bank holiday here in the United States of America. So we're back on Tuesday. So this is the last show until Tuesday morning opening bell. Welcome, welcome. If you're new here, click subscribe and ring the bell and smash the like button. Let's get straight into the positions. You can see on my live position now. Here we are. We are picking up now on this last hour. Some of those stocks that crashed have started to recover, which is very, very nice. We like to see that. Let's go over to the trades straight away. Here we go. Okay. If it is your first time here, click subscribe and ring the bell. Love to have you here. And of course, smash the like button. That's absolutely great. Okay, let's bring in the tickers. Here we go. It's our first ticker. Let's bring it in now. And also let's bring in... there we go. I got confused for a minute. There it is. Okay, there's all your prices. There's all the information that you need. And as soon as our guests start coming in, they will appear in the chat as well. On the big screen, you'll see it there. Okay, let's have a look at all the stocks right now. Virgin Galactic, as you can see, was the big one we were talking about all day. I've not sold my position at all. Overall, I'm down slightly on the day, 0.15. Tesla is now up 0.49. That's good. Rivian is down but moving up now. SPCE is down but moving up now. GGPI is starting to move up. It's been down all day. Lucid is up 2% today. Absolutely great. I'm currently only one share in that one. I sold my position for Virgin Galactic, and I'm still glad I did. Robinhood is down. Palantir is down today. PayPal is down. Immersion is up today, 1.14. On is up 1.36. Rolls-Royce is trading sideways as always. Boeing is plus 2.4. Apple is just up slightly. Google is up 0.38. And our crypto today, Ethereum and Bitcoin are both up very slightly. But that's good that they are up. Fantastic. The breaking news today is Robinhood now offers the facility to transfer from one brokerage to theirs. Very, very easy within the app. Looks really, really good. I will be testing that out, making a video on that and letting you know how that works for me. All right, let's get straight into the news. This is the news today. Jack Dorsey, of course, block to build an open Bitcoin mining system. This is some interesting news. We'll open this up now. Let's have a look at this one here. And this should be a good catalyst for Bitcoin. So let's open it up right now. Here it is. This is what we're talking about. And if you join us live now on TikTok or YouTube, your comments will appear in the comments box, that black box right on the screen there. And we'll share your comments. Okay, we're very, very quiet this afternoon. We had a very, very busy morning this morning. Very, very busy indeed. But we're quiet right now. But the markets are all recovering. Let's have a look at the chart here for Tesla. Excuse me, the Tesla chart. Let's have a look. Here it is. Here's a Tesla chart. As you can see, it's been up and down today, but we've got it moving up now in the closing hours. Interesting to see. Friday is normally a sell-off day. Be interesting to see how Friday goes today, because of course we don't have the Monday normal sell-off day. It's slightly different because of the bank holiday. So that'll be interesting to see what happens. But there you go. There's Tesla's chart. Rivian, let's look at their chart today. They're picking up, as you can see, in the last few minutes. SPCE as well had some decent buy-ins the last hour or so. Very, very nice indeed. Looks good. And then we've got GGPIs picking up and Lucid. These are some of the charts I'm sharing with you. And also Hood, a little bit of a recovery and a bit more just coming in there as well. Great stuff. All right. If during the show you decide to become a member, we've got lots of perks. If you're a member, let me share with you what happens. If you become a member live in the show, and you click the button which you need to find on your browser, that's what happens. There's myself becoming a member. If you are in the super chat, you'll come up as well. There you go. And if you are a subscriber, you will come up there as well. Good stuff. And we've got lots of benefits and perks for the members. So please consider being a member. You get lots and lots of perks, including we'll promote your YouTube channel on the homepage of my channel. I put the links in the chat. You've got exclusive giveaways. We've got cash giveaways. We have all sorts of wonderful things that we give away to members as well. It's great. Really, really nice. All right. Okay, let's have a look right now. We've got the news: Jack Dorsey blocked to build an open Bitcoin mining system. That's going to be a great catalyst for Bitcoin. Absolutely right. Okay, let's have a look at Tesla right now. Tesla is up 0.92. Queen of Celebrating, where are you today? Everyone seems a little bit quiet. What's going on? Why isn't everybody tuning in? Just making sure that the stream's all working. I was beginning to think for a minute nobody was here, but it's a bit weird today. At this point in the show, I've normally got 20 people in the chat and we're all talking away, but today it seems a bit quiet. I don't quite know what's going on. I hope everyone's getting the feed, but anyway, maybe everyone's on the beach. I don't know. Maybe everyone. I tell you what I do notice in the shows. They are a lot quieter when no one's making any money. I've noticed that. Ah, there we go. Believer Bubble, I'm here. There he is. Believer Bubbles, come on in. Welcome, welcome, welcome. Let me bring him into the chat. There he is. Fantastic. And Believer Bubble is one of my members. You can see that because his badge is after his name. He's also a moderator to the channel as well. And very soon, I think in about 10 days' time, I think Believer Bubble's membership will turn to the next colour and be upgraded, as is Martyn Redding, one of our biggest traders and a great head to have in the show. Always shares great tips, great advice with us all. He's been teaching us about QQQ and all those things over the last few months. When the markets are down, those type of markets are up. So you can talk to Martyn Redding in the chat. You can also talk to him on the Discord or Twitter or wherever else you might want to communicate within our community. All right, we're looking at Tesla now. Let's move along. If there's no one else in, I'll win the closing day trade as well. Yeah, that's very rare. Very rare that the same person wins the opening and closing bell. It's happened a couple of times, but mostly it's someone different. So that'll be interesting. And it is quite quiet now. You're absolutely right. So if you've just come on in, smash the like button and subscribe and ring the bell. There we go. And talking about our members, let's show our bronze members first of all. There we go. There's our bronze members coming up, of which I believe a Bubble is one of those. And I think there he is. He was the first one. Look, one of the very first ones from the UK. And Martyn Redding is in there as well. We'll see. I can't remember now if Martyn's a bronze or a silver. I think he's a bronze. We'll see when he comes up. Right, SPCE. Now look at this. It's made it over $10. Daryl Napier is here. How are you, Daryl? Are you feeling any better today? Are you feeling any better? Daryl Napier is in the UK. He was in hospital. He had COVID, and I hope he's feeling a bit better. Let's certainly hope so. I know you tested negative. I remember you telling us that, which is very, very good to hear. So I'm glad about that. Anyway, there we go. Dave Mottram, Queen of Celebrating. These are all our members. Paddy April, Alicia April. Yes, really better. There we go. Let's put that on the screen. We're very happy to hear that. It was very sad to hear that you had COVID. Talking of COVID, it's all around me now. It's absolutely everywhere. Okay, here we go. All the comments are coming in now. Mike166, the Beatles, Sean, Murray McKines. So you know what? I've got to think, that Martyn Redding must be a silver member. Let's bring up the silver members. Let's see if he's in this list. The Queen of Celebrating. I missed you guys this morning. It was a big morning. Very tense morning with Virgin Galactic. There he is, Martyn Redding. He's our second silver member. Absolutely fantastic from the United States. Followed up by Hairy Bold Hulk, who is from Australia, who we've not seen for a few days. And here's Mark Korn as well. Yes, you are silver. You are indeed. There you are. You're on the screen right now. Fantastic. Okay. So, let me just check a couple of things. The Queen of Celebrating. Let's bring her in as well. There we go. Queen of Self-Braiding. And let's finally show our gold members. There we go. Bringing them in now. Thank you, Queen of Self-Braiding. How are you today? Today was great for Mark Corn. Mark Corn, we've got him to nearly 1,000 subscribers. We started him out at I think 1,000. So what was it, like 965, something like that? We're nearly at 1,000 subscribers now. He's one of our silver members, and Vapor's Guide also. If he's here today, we'll drop in his links again. We're trying to get him up to 50 subscribers. He's a much newer, smaller channel, and we want to get him to 50 subscribers. So that's cool. Very, very exciting indeed. All right. Virgin Galactic is just dropping back now. We've got 50 minutes, of course, before the bell goes. So we've got a bit of time. And remember, there is no trading on Monday. Not for crypto, of course. 24 hours a day, 7 days a week. But not for regular stocks and shares. They do not trade on Monday. I'm good. I had a job interview. How did you get on? How did you get on? I want to know. How did you get on with your job interview? Hey, Ryan Sullivan is here as well. Welcome, Ryan. Lovely to have you here. Good stuff. All right. Let's get into GGPI now. We're just seeing it pop up a little bit more. Lucid is dropping back slightly. Robinhood is now coming up a bit. But the big news of the day, of course, was SPCE. I want to share this with you. Martin Reddin says, I trimmed banks today and bought into weakness of tech and value. We'll probably buy back into banks February 1. Very sensible. So banks are doing well now. The markets have certainly switched from high techs into bank stocks. Absolutely right. And Martin has switched. So what he's done is he's made a profit and he's trimmed off. And you always should trim off. Absolutely right. And even though I'm massively into Virgin, I certainly will trim off when it pops up. I won't keep all these stocks down here. I have to trim off because it will very, very quickly, and it will rise soon, it will very, very quickly become 30, 40%, and that's a very, very, very dangerous position to be in. And I don't want to be doing that. When I say dangerous, I mean from the point of view I can't trade. I'll be locked up. So I'm not going to do that. I'm going to free some money up and put some cash on hand. What do you mean by value? Martin Redding, what do you mean by value? There we go. You've been asked a question there. Martin, Believer Bubble is asking a question to Martin Redding. The Queen of Self-Braiding, how did the job interview go? Yep, we want to know. Finally got my Robinhood account funded. Fantastic. That must mean you've got some free stocks then, is that right? Should I check on my account? Will I have a free... Because I get a free stock from you. Did you use my... link? It's not showing up anything, so maybe you didn't. I don't know. Let's have a look. Rewards. Hello all. Hello. Where is it? Let's have a look. It's Ryan Sullivan. I don't think you used my link. It doesn't look like it anyway. It doesn't look like it because I've not got anything showing. So if you did, let me know. But right now it doesn't say that. All right. Sadly, I didn't. I tried setting it up before I started. What? No worries at all. No worries at all. And I'm glad you got it sorted out. Value stocks, shares of a company with solid fundamentals. So value stocks, shares of a company with solid fundamentals that are priced below those of its peers, based on analysis of price, earnings, ratio, yield, and other factors like CAT, DE, and GWW. There you go. That's the information you got there. What are value stocks? Thank you very much, Martin, for that information. Brilliant. All right, now then, let's go back to the main portfolio and have a look. We've got some other news coming in. Let me just refresh the screen and see if we've got some latest news to share with everybody. It's a good resource, Robinhood here for the news. Works very well. All right. Okay, this is interesting. I know we've got some interest in Starbucks, so let's have a look here. Do you have any plans on buying Apple? I've already got Apple. Let me share with you my Apple position. I've been buying more recently. I've now got 5.53% in Apple, which is it's an average cost of 163, which means I'm actually up, which is nice. If you see there, look, I'll zoom in for you. I've got $117 profit, 5.1% profit. There we go. Value of 2,400. It's currently 5.53 of my portfolio, which is about right, really. Which is about right. It could be a bit more, maybe 6, 7, really, but that's about it. So that's not too bad at all. That's good. That's in a good position. I'm up 5%. That's one of the good stories at the moment. Google is a little bit different. It's down 2%. Not too bad though. But Apple is one of those solid stocks and not too bad. All right, let's have a look at this. This is the story here from Starbucks. Starbucks can vote to unionize at 3 more New York stores. U.S. labor rules. What does that actually mean? Let's go into it. Starbucks Corporation employees at 3 more restaurants in New York State will vote on unionization, a U.S. labor official ruled Friday, offering organizers the chance to expand in new labor foothold that's already inspiring copycat efforts around the country. How does that affect the stock prices? Let's have a look. I don't know how that would affect the stock prices, to be honest. I'm not really sure. But there you go. That's the news that popped up, but I'm not really sure. I don't know if that's good or bad for the stocks. I have to be honest. I don't know. Honestly, I don't know. My portfolio is now moving up 0.02. We're actually positive for the day now, which is nice. Green again. Do check value investing. Agree. I think value trading is the way to go in 2022. That might be worth looking into. Maybe my position needs to change. I was reading this morning. Sometimes it's the right thing to do to take a loss and walk away. Sometimes. Now, I'm not saying I'm going to walk away from Virgin, but an important lesson to learn in trading is to know when you're wrong and to change and make a change. There's nothing clever or I don't know, big and almighty about making a mistake and continuing along that vein. It's not necessarily a great thing. So if I felt that the fundamentals had changed, of course I would sell out my position and I would take the loss, because at the end of the day, it's not a loss until I walk away. And when I say walk away, I don't mean walk away from Virgin, I mean walk away from my portfolio. If I sold my Virgin now, I would have $9,000, $9,278, as you can see on the screen, which means I've got $4,000 less than I put in. And in reality, it's more than that. It's more like $6,000 because I repositioned, okay? I would lose $6,000. But if I then got that $9,000 and put it in, say, Bitcoin, and it doubled, and I got then I've not lost 6,000. I've used that money to earn it somewhere else. It only counts when you walk away. And remember, it's not really important what one particular stock is doing. It's your overall portfolio. That is the money that you've got in the bank. That's what you've got to walk away from. Remember why you invested in the first place. You're investing in the first place to grow your wealth so you will have a pension or security in the future. That's what we're all doing it for. We're not doing it because we're fans of Richard Branson or fans of Elon Musk or any other thing. We're doing it to provide for our families and support and make our futures more secure. That's the purpose of investing. All right. Anyway, Abdullah Azuki is here. Abdullah is here again. How are you, Abdullah? Lovely to have you here. Welcome, welcome, welcome. If you've just tuned in and you've not yet subscribed to the channel, give us a subscribe and ring the bell. We've had a bit of subscriber culling today. It seems to be one of those days today when YouTube, beginning of the year, start culling off subscribers. And what that means is, in the YouTube world, is if you've got dead subscribers, what that actually means doesn't mean subscribers have physically died. It can do. But what it does mean is it means that the accounts are inactive. Maybe the person has died, Maybe they were fraudulent accounts, or maybe they're not active anymore. Normally it's when they're not active. If you've not been on a YouTube channel for a year or two, or you've not even been on YouTube, YouTube don't know that you've not died or don't exist or whatever. They can cull off, get rid of subscribers, because nobody wants to think they've got 10 million subscribers and in fact they only have 3 people every day watching. So it's horrible to see it happen, but at the end of the day, it's also, you know, trimming off subscribers that don't really exist. So today I've lost 8. I was so excited. I was 1,958 and now 1,950. Of course, I don't want to see that, but it's for the best. Right, here's an example from Martin Redding. I bought 2 shares of HON, H-O-N, at 17 today because it was down 1.5%. I bought more of McDonald's and a few others. There we go. My free stock was Catalyst Pharmaceuticals. Nice one, Ryan. That's what you get, a free stock. So if you are in the United States of America, and only the United States, I'm going to share a link with you right now. You can get a free stock with my Robinhood referral. I get one, you get one, and if you do it through me, I'll share with you what I get as well, so you all know what I get. There is the link, and remember, all these offers and all these free accounts are all under my all links button. There you go, including, of course, the invite to become a member of this channel. Let me give the all links button. Let me give the invite as well. There you go, for all those extra perks. All right. Now today is going to be a slightly shorter show. We haven't got any trading on Monday either. Remember that, because Martin Luther King. Let's have a look. Keeping myself with 10% still in cash on the side for the weekend. There we go. Always a good idea. Very hard to do though. Looking at the Starbucks chart, it looks like the union ruling had a negative impact on the stock. Let's have a look. Let's have a look at Starbucks. Thank you ever so much. Believe-a-bubble. That would make perfect sense. That makes perfect sense when unions are getting involved in a company. It can make it. Obviously it favours the workers, so it can be a negative for the company. It's good for the workers, but a negative for the company. That's absolutely right. Right, as you can see, Starbucks is down 2% today, but then the whole market's down, so maybe it's not that a big a deal. But yeah, it's certainly dropped off. Here, look. January the 14th, yeah, this morning, we had quite a drop this morning. So maybe that could be related to that news. But I wouldn't draw too much into that because, of course, everything is down right now. If we look at Starbucks as account, we've been falling now since January. But there we go. So not a bad time to get into Starbucks if that's one of your interests. You can see one of the benefits with Starbucks, it does have a nice dividend. 1.77 isn't the highest. It certainly isn't the lowest. So you get a nice, decent dividend. So you get paid to own the stock without selling it. And what that means is stocks like that don't tend to have the greatest growth. So the investors get rewarded without selling their stocks. They get a dividend. All right? And there are some tax advantages with getting dividends. You can earn so much dividends a year before you get taxed. So not bad. That's one reason why I have several dividend stocks, including Apple. It's free money from time to time. So if you like Starbucks, and over the last 5 years, it's up 75%. Over the last year, it's actually down 3.33%. And that's kind of not surprising, because of COVID, right? I mean, the last year, who's been drinking at coffee houses? A lot less. That's kind of obvious, right? I mean, if we pan out, look, there's March 2020. See, it just collapsed, and we've been rising since then, but it's been quite flat. This is probably the resurgence of the Delta and then the Omicron. So that's kind of expected. So, but the good news is they're still paying the dividend. They're still paying the dividend, so you don't have to sell your stocks. You can sit on your stocks. Not bad at all to get in there. So that's quite interesting. All right. Abdullah Azuki up 56,000 today. SR. What's SR? I'm presuming that's the currency of your country. SR. Let me have a quick look at what that is. I'm going to we're getting a nice bounce now. If you look at this, I'll show you. I'm going to look at SR. Where are you from, Abdullah? What part of the world? So I'm going to Google SR currency. So SAR, you say SR. There's not an SR, but there is an SAR. Oh, Saudi Arabian Rials. There we go. Saudi Rials. That's what SR stands for. I did a little bit of my research. There we go, up 56,000 today. Congratulations to you. Awesome. And let's do a little conversion, shall we? So we'll do 56,000 Saudi Rials into dollars. And that's 14,922. And I'll just share with you how I got to that. There we go. This is Abdullah. And that he's saying he's up 15 grand today. Very, very nice indeed. There we go. Let me just clear the... clear it up. Whoops. Clear again. There we go. There we go. So 56,000 Saudi Rial is 14,922 US dollars. Very, very nice. You've had a great day then. I'm very... You're now becoming one of our bigger traders. Love it. Love it. Congratulations to you. All right. To be honest, really don't feel down about the recent losses, Martin. To be honest, really don't feel down about the recent losses, Martin. Your portfolio has beaten any year investing I've ever done. Even after the recent events, 55 to 40-ish grand is truly amazing. Yes, I know that. It was very, very easy, though, to make money at the beginning of the year. With COVID and everything exploding, it's much, much harder now. And my only regret, Duchak, my only regret is I didn't sell at 58,000. Now that's obviously ridiculous to say, because who was going to know that this was going to happen? The only lesson you can learn there is you should sell when you have profits. If I'd have sold at 58, I mean, my God, if I'd have sold here at 58,000, can you imagine? And then done nothing. And mind you, though, look, I would have been out of the market now for December. I would have been out of the market for 5 weeks. Can you imagine? I mean, I'd come back in here now with 58 grand. Can you imagine it? Can you imagine if I'd sold my entire portfolio here at 58,000? Sold it all, boom, and had 58,000 down here. That's $15,000 more than I have today. Can you imagine that? And then bought back the same stocks. Oh my God. First of all, I would have taken a tax loss, and then I would have been okay, because I'd have been over 30 days to buy back in. That would have been the perfect plan. That would have been the perfect plan. And I could have ended up being the day trader of the year. I mean, seriously, if I'd have done that, not only would I have... I beg your pardon, I wouldn't have made a tax loss, because I would have made a profit. I beg your pardon. I was thinking if I'd lost money and then bought back 30 days. No, I would have made money. Of course, I'd have paid a lot of taxes this year, and then I'd have bought back. Yeah, no, it's all right. Forget the tax bit. I told you wrong. That was completely the backwards way of thinking. There you go. Let's see. Union wages increases cost and impacts negative bottom line. There we go. Just drop the image on Discord. There we go. Should we have a quick look on Discord? Let me have a look. This has just been opened up for us by WEBULL. And if you want access to Discord, you can. It's in the all links button. You can be a member of Discord and you can talk to the team, ask all kinds of questions. Here is the, I'll give you straight away the Discord group. This is an invitation to be a member of the Discord group. It takes a little while to get in because you have to go through a few hoops. It's to prevent spammers. So you have to verify your email and all that good stuff. But anyway, if if I go into the day trader, where have you put it down? Let's have a look. There we go. There we go. This is the chart today. Thank you very much indeed. What chart? Where are you getting that chart from? That's from. Where's that from? Is that from? Looks like eToro. I think that's eToro. It doesn't say, but it looks a bit eToro-ish. It looks like an eToro style. I recognise some of the colours. See if I'm right. Am I right? Is that eToro? It doesn't tell me, so I'd be pretty impressed with myself if I was right. But to me, that looks like the style of eToro. I might be wrong. Let's see if he comes back and tells me. Is that an eToro chart? Anyway, thanks ever so much for sharing that with us. That's from our Discord group. Great stuff. Anyway. Honor has a 1.8 dividend. There we go. Even better. Yeah, like I said, Starbucks isn't the greatest dividend in the world. I've got some dividends at around 5, 6, even 7, I think. But then obviously there's costs involved and so on. But, you know, you got to do your own research on that. I tried referring my friend. It says pending referral. When I go to reward, does that mean he didn't finish up sign? Yes, it means he hasn't either set up his account or hasn't funded it. You need to fund the account before he gets the free stock. Excuse me, and you get the free stock. You both need he needs to verify his account and fund it. You need to do both parts of it. He won't get the free stock until he's funded it. And when he funds it, he just needs to put $1 in. And you got in your app, there will be remind your rewards, and I will share with you exactly now, so you can see it. I will share with you. Yes, I can share this with you. I have to always be careful not to show the wrong things on my phone. Right, okay, let's have a look. There you go. See, if I show you here on the app with Robinhood, you will have, you see it says remind. These are all the people that are pending for me. I've got loads of people that are pending. People that were in, even Martyn Redding is in there. Look, there's Martyn Redding. See, look, Martyn Redding, look. Martyn Redding's in there. Shall I remind him? Remind him. There you go, got it. We've reminded your friend to get it sorted out. I'll remind her as well. What the hell, as I'm here. And that's what it does. It sends them a reminder. To be honest with you, I don't like this because I've reminded everybody like 3 or 4 times, and I wish I could actually delete them, because obviously Martyn doesn't want it, and that's fine and respect that. Many of these people don't. They don't want it, and if they don't want it, I wish Robinhood would let me delete them. Otherwise, they're always there in my remind folder. I guess it's in their best interest, right? Because they probably think if I keep reminding, eventually you'll get someone to do it. But you know, I would rather invite someone, remind them once, cancel, because at the end of the day, I'm hoping by reminding eventually it will delete them. But who knows? Maybe Martyn could tell me. Did you get a reminder again on a text? Probably. Anyway, CAT is 1.95. CVX is 4.3. There we go. I think I've got a couple down the bottom here. Super DVIX. Let me have a look. These are my dividend stocks. Let's have a look. Which one is it? Super dividend. It might be this one. It might be this one. I don't know. Have a look. Let's have a look. Here we go. Right. 30-day yield, 8.81. Super dividend. There is an expense ratio of 0.59. So there is an expense. Oh, let me just clear Ryan's comment there. So as you can see, when you look at the yield or the dividends, whatever. You have to weigh it up between the expenses. It's a cost to manage those ETFs or those dividend stocks or whatever. Because remember, people are doing it on your behalf. This one here is an ETF, and they're involved in all these sectors. So you've got professional, fund managers running this fund. So there is a cost involved. Sorry, should have said that the source for the above chart is eTORO. Yes, I was right. How cool. I recognize it by the colors. It just looked like the same colors. I'm glad I got that right. It means I spend too much time reading charts. Anyway, I do that mainly off air. I don't do much of that in the show. I don't think it's great entertainment, discussing charts, but you may disagree with me. Anyway, the markets are moving up slightly now, for me anyway. So that's good to see. Let's have a look now. On the day, I'm up 0.33. You never know. I might win the afternoon. I doubt it, though. Hi, Martin. Love to see you. Good evening. How are you? I risk $1 million for gains. Very, very nice. Hi, Martin. I think it's great we have Abdullah in from Saudi Arabia. I love that. Absolutely brilliant. Isn't that great? Every day we have Abdullah in. I think it's fantastic. Hi, Martin. Good evening to you. Good job. AA percent. What percent was that? AA. He's talking to Abdullah. Nice one. Good evening, Martin and Ryan. Hi, friend. Let's bring everyone's comments in. Good evening, Abdullah and Duchak. The fantastic result today, Abdullah. Hi, and Paddy, April, and Alicia. Wonderful stuff. Alicia, Discord. There's the Discord group. Good job. It's an eTORO. Yeah, I was right. Yes, it is. 12%. 12%. Very, very nice indeed. 1.2 is a good return in one day. I think he meant 12%. No, 12. There we go. I could not retrieve it or fund it, so I tried to delete it. So it's just sitting there. All right. There we go. This is in response to what I was just saying about my Robinhood account. I could not retrieve it or fund it, so I tried to delete it, the account, so it's just sitting there. Oh dear. What's the expiration cost? What's the expiration the cost? The EXP cost, the ETF. Hang on, what is the EXP cost the ETF should be? 0.5 or below average cost, 0.4 annual. That's correct. At the end of the day, it's relative to what you're earning, right? Oh, the Queen of Self-Braiding is back. Lovely stuff. Let's bring in our bronze members again now. I like to show them off. There we go. Here we go. Let's bring them in now. There you go. All right. Let's see what's moving, what's going on right now. We've got the Tesla is up 1.6 today, doing very, very well. What about Rivian? Is now picking up. SPCE 10.11, 10.13. 20 minutes to go, and we're picking up just like I anticipated. I'm not going to do anything. ETF annual expense cost. EFT, I beg your pardon. Annual expense cost. Virgin Galactic is now up 1% today. Now, my position on this is, despite how bullish I am, my position is to sell and trim on the way up. It's now 21.26% of my portfolio. It's too big. It's too big. But I won't be selling it until I make profit on those amounts. So, first of all, we've got we've got SPCE at 11.25. So it's got another $1 to go. And I'd say $1.50 before I would sell the 170 I have, and I will sell them, despite I believe it will be $100 could be this year once they start flying. I know that's not the value of the stock, but that's what will happen because people do buy in when there's good news, and it does pop up like that. So I will sell on the way up because I need to have liquidity. I need to have money in my buying power for it to fall again. There's no stock that just straight lines all the way up. It could go up, then back down again. So if I suddenly wake up on Tuesday morning and find that Virgin Galactic is at 12 or whatever, I should seriously consider taking some profit off the top, and everybody else will be doing the same, which means it will keep falling down, and I'll never get my money out. It will take a long, long time, but that's why I do want to make profit along the way. That's how I've grown my portfolio to where it is today. All right, very good. Net expense ratio 0.12% on XLE. Thank you, Martin Redding, for posting those comments. Much, much appreciated. If you've just joined us here today, subscribe and ring the bell. We've got 20 minutes to go before the bell goes, and smash the like button. What's the numbers looking like today? What are our numbers looking like? We've got 12 watching, 16 likes. That's not bad, is it? That's not bad. That means everyone's come in and liked the show. We can't ask for more than that. Absolutely great. Okay. When Bill comes in, if Bill comes in, I've got some news to share with Bill about his fundraiser. He's no longer on $10. Not at all. That's changed. And I will share it, but I won't share it until he comes in. I'll save the suspense and excitement for when Bill comes in. He's not in just yet, so we'll do that if he comes in. If he doesn't come in, I'll share it in the last few minutes. But it's good news for Bill. Good news for Bill. All right, we're not $10 anymore. All right, let's bring in our silver members as well. Here we go, and there we go. Going back now, we're now up 0.38, and of course at the hour we will do day trader of the day, and we will see who the day trader of the day is. And so far I will tell you I'm up 0.37. I don't think for a minute I'm going to win that, because Abdullah is 12% today, so we may have already announced our winner. Who knows? Let's see. We got some, might have some surprises in the chat. We don't know, and of course Abdullah's stop might drop again. We don't know. We don't have his full portfolio. We don't have that. Don't forget, if you are a member, you can call in to the show. If you'd like to discuss something on the show, if you'd like to ask questions, if you'd like to ask the team, if you'd like to share with us your trades, maybe one day we could have WEBULL wants perhaps to share his Forex experience. You can call in. As members, you can call in and share your screens. And if you are a gold member, of course, I will actually help you set up your stream and spend 2 hours a month with you online should you wish to improve your studio or your equipment or whatever it might be. But anyway, here is the interview screen. If you want to call in, you can. It looks like this. This is what it looks like. There you go. You will be in here. This is where you will be, and you can call in and be live on the show in that spot there and have the spotlight on you. You can have your channel promoted in the chat. You can discuss whatever it is you want to discuss, as long as it's financial related and it's interesting to our audience. You can do that. All right, so just let me know if you'd like to be involved in that. You can take advantage of that. So welcome to our show this afternoon. We're live here every morning for the opening and closing bell, and we've got some great traders in here today. Let's announce Netflix just announced price hikes according to CNBC. I'm presuming you mean Netflix, not Netflix. I'm hoping so, unless there's another company called Netflix. Netflix just announced price hikes according to CNBC. Not surprising. With inflation, everything's going up. That's the beauty of crypto. If you're a fan like me, that's why I invest in it as a hedge against inflation. Yes, that's what I meant. I'm sure you did. All right. Price hikes according to CNBC. There you go. All right, let's get back into the trades again. Rivian is now just down slightly today. Virgin Galactic 10.12. It might just be topping out now, though. It's up 1% today. Of course, people will be taking profits. Let's go and look at the chart and see what the chart shows us. In fact, it's predominantly green. It's pretty good. It's the very opposite of barcoding. When I was told a couple of days ago that Virgin Galactic was barcoding, and I disagreed. I said I don't think it is. You want to see what barcoding is? That's barcoding. That's barcoding. That's Rolls-Royce, because that's been happening now for months. And in my opinion, if you want to see a stock that's barcoding, it's that. It's not just close related pricing and purchasing. It's when an algorithm is doing the buying. And if you want to see a really good example of barcoding, this is Rolls-Royce's chart. It looks like a barcode. What that is micro trades from an algorithm. No one is sitting there buying it. This stock is static. This stock is static, but be under no illusion. You can make money from this stock. I am up 30% on it. So when people say you can't make money on a barcoding stock, stick away. I absolutely disagree, because these are the facts. This is barcoding, 100%. The rates are the same. They're in and out. They're in and out. Micro trades, making money all the time on algorithms, making money for their investors. Millions of trades at once. Microscopic size of trades, but it all adds up. And that is barcoding. And just to share with you my position in Rolls-Royce, full disclosure, here is my position. Look, I am up 30%. So don't tell me you can't make money in a barcoding stock. You absolutely can, and there is the evidence of it right there. Now, at one point, I used to own $4,000 of Rolls-Royce, and I made a lot of money with the barcoding, because what happens is every day it takes a position and then goes sideways all day. Like that, all the way through. But over the period of time, it moves up and down. Look, 26%. There's real movement in it. So I believe Rolls-Royce is a potential 6x stock to 6 to 8x stock, because of the history of Rolls-Royce, because the British government won't let it fail, and there's a whole list of reasons why I'm in with a Rolls-Royce. Now, I could sell that and take 30% profits, and that would be not bad. But the time is coming when Rolls-Royce will announce a new engine, and that price could go up to $8 rather than $1.76. So that's what barcoding is, if you want to see real barcoding. And I had it posed to me that SPCE was barcoding. No, it isn't. It's just selling out because people are fearful. That's all that's happening with Virgin. Anyway, we've got just 12 minutes to go. Very, very soon we'll be having our Bean is barcoding. Let's have a look. Queen has just posted Bean is barcoding. BENE. There we go. Let's have a look. Okay, let's have a look at it. Let's see. Yeah. Let's have a look. Let's have a closer look at that. Yes. Yes. Bean is barcoding. A lot less intense. Not as much volume. But yeah, absolutely. You're absolutely spot on. Dead right. Bean is barcoding. And again, if we scroll out of that, can you make money on it? Every stock's different. If we go, I mean, yeah, you made money there, but that wasn't when it was barcoding. Let's go back here. So the last 3 months up 89. This isn't really growing at all. This one isn't doing very much. So this one is barcoding Algorithms are buying in and out, and they're making money because they're buying like millions of in and out. But the stock isn't actually growing, unlike Rolls-Royce, which actually has a growth pattern to it, whereas Benessier Capital doesn't. There's nothing going on with that right now. That doesn't mean to say in the future it's got something going on, but right now it's not doing anything. So there you go. Thanks for that input, Queen. You're absolutely right. That was a perfect example of barcoding. All right, we're up 0.36 now, 0.37 on the day with 10 minutes to go. What's our prediction? Do we think that SPCE is going to rise in the after hours? Do we think that? Bearing in mind, we're Friday, normally sell off Friday. We've got no trading, obviously, over the weekend. And then we've got no trading on Monday. So people are going to have their money stuck in this. So will we see it rise up? I would say not. I don't think so. I think it'll probably dip again Monday morning. If it does go up, it'll be just a little bit. I don't see it flying up to $12, $13 or anything like that. It might do $12, $20. I'm awake now. Sorry I'm late. Bill is here. We've been waiting for Bill. Did you set up your other account? I guess not yet. Set up your other account and then I'll make you a moderator again. But I wanted to share this with everybody. This is Bill's situation. Bill, this morning, was on $10. Bill had $10 in his account for his scooter project, fundraising event. He now has 41. So he had 4 donors. Now, I want to thank, it started with Patricia, and Patricia again. And then we had, it says Martyn Lucas. I actually did put Alicia April there. I don't know why it's got my name, because I did put the note. So when I clicked on it, and when I did it, I put in her name. I don't know why it's just saying my name, because maybe Bill got that information, I don't know. But I actually put like a note. Probably Bill got that information, I don't know. But the note was Alicia April. Even though it's for some reason showing my name. Maybe it's because I used my credit card, I don't know. But anyway, there you go. And then James Pradeth, in case you're wondering who James Pradeth is. James Pradeth is a guy called WEBULL. I know that because I know him personally. So I know that's a fact. Right, James Pradeth, there you go. He made a donation as well. In fact, he's the biggest donator. He's done $11. Look at him, Mr. Big Shot. That's from all his profits this morning. Nice one. Right, 10.13. So like I said, I think Virgin could go up a little bit. I don't expect it to go up much at all, but we will see what happens. All right. Let's bring in the ticker again. There we go. Right. A lot of information on the bottom ticker. If you read that, you'll get information. This channel is so weird. Is this a stock market channel or a self-promotion channel? What do you mean self-promotion channel? What does that mean? Market profit. We're helping Bill. Bill is one of our longest members, and we've been talking about stocks and shares now and barcoding for the last 25 minutes, and I mentioned Bill's Fundly account. That's what we do. We support everybody here. And at the end of the day, this is our channel, the way we like it. And it's what we do. Of course, every channel is different. You might prefer BitBoy, or you might prefer Meet Kevin, or you might prefer Cryptos Are Us. This is what we do. This is how we do it. It's directed by the family and where the family wants it to go. That's what we do. And maybe it's not for you. I don't know. This channel is so weird. Is it a stock market channel or a self-promotion channel? I don't know. I didn't promote anything from myself there at all. That was all to help Bill. But there you go. Anyway, Palatine is moving up. I'm sorry you don't like it. I guess that's the nature of the way it goes. Immersion is at 1.52. On is up to 2%. Don't know why I said that. Rolls-Royce, we were talking about barcoding a few moments ago, and we gave a demonstration of what barcoding is. But remember, folks, at the end of the day, this is my channel, and this is what I enjoy doing, and I do what my family enjoy doing. If they don't like it, I don't do it. So it's kind of like the channel grows from what people like that I do, I guess. Google is up 0.5. Ethereum is down very, very slightly. Bitcoin is up 0.48. There we go. Can you take a look at main, please? Yes, I can. You are good. I think it's funny, though, because I love Market Profit. He's always here, always offers great advice. But I don't know why you'd say that, because at the end of the day, it's my channel, isn't it? If you go onto the music channel and you don't like the music and you want to watch the news, you go onto the news. If you don't like the news, you go onto the movie channel. You don't ring up the news company and say, "Hey, why don't you talk more about the news, or why don't you talk more about music?" I don't know. Main Street Capital, is that the one you mean? Main Street Capital. Okay, we're looking at this one now. I'm self-promoting Main Street Capital. This is a business development company. The fund focuses on providing customized debt and equity financing solutions to lower middle market companies. Is this the one you're on? Shall we pan out and have a look at it? Over the last 5 years, it's been around since 2007, so it's got some good history. It had a big drop here. March 20, COVID, look at that. So obviously its business is affected by markets. So going on your explanation, that is also barcoding. Okay, let's have a look. We can open up the... it's not tightly bunched enough. There's always going to be algorithms who are making investments for people, but I don't think that's tightly bunched enough for a barcoding stock. All right, let's have a look. Let's have a look at it. It's 43, 154. It's very tight, not much movement. Let's look at it over the last 3 months. Up 3% over the year. It certainly looks a bit like it. I'm not 100% certain. Buy, sell. It's pretty much. You might be right. It's got a bit of sort of human volatility to it, though. Here we go. Hi all. Just got back from my urgent care. They are so busy, I took over 3 hours. I'm good, just to get some antibiotics and inhaler. Oh, of course, Mujan has not been feeling very well. He's been struggling. So we're glad to see he's okay. At the end of the day, believe a bubble, all it really means is no one's really interested in the stock. And without anybody being really interested in the stock isn't going to go nowhere. It's just a little bit of movement, right? Well, if the stock moves a little bit, but it's tightly bunched, it's probably barcoding. But at the end of the day, it's just people who are buying massive amounts of it. It's very small trades, but lots of them tightly packed together, and that's what it really means. Hi, did you see Elon drive up Dodge? Yes, I did. That news is a bit old, though. Even though it came out again today, and you're right to share it, it actually is quite old news. There was a post for Elon about 2 weeks ago about Doge would be accepted by Tesla for merchandise. And a lot of people get excited because they thought they could buy a car with it. You can't buy a car with it. It's only merchandise, and it's a bit of a headline grabber. It's very much Elon Musk getting his name in the paper again. I mean, all you're doing is buying merchandise. It's how memes and this crazy stock market works, right? People are getting excited by Dogecoin because you can buy a hat or a key ring or a bloody sticker from Tesla. You can't buy a car, it's just merchandise. And because of that, Doge jumped up. Isn't that ridiculous? The fundamental didn't change just because you can buy a hat, a sticker, a key ring, a pendant with Tesla written on it. Everybody went, brilliant! Tesla is now accepted by Dogecoin. Just for merchandise. And let's get one thing absolutely straight. The merchandise was so overly priced. If you buy a hat from Tesla and you pay $100 for a hat which costs $5 to make, they couldn't care less whether you paid in flipping jam, because it doesn't matter what the value of Dogecoin is, they're making money. And that's the point. That's why he's done it. He's done it. It is so transparent. Elon Musk is so honest all the time. It's a joke how honest he is. Everybody gets excited, but they don't stop and think for a minute. Elon Musk wants to promote Dogecoin. He wants to promote Tesla. So what does he do? He says, Tesla now takes Dogecoin. It's a headline grabber. What it really means is you can buy a hat that cost me $1 to make in China, and I'm going to sell it to you for $100 with Tesla written on the front, and you can buy it from me using your Dogecoin. It's a brilliant marketing ploy, and it just advertises Doge, which he has a great interest in, and it advertises Tesla, which obviously he has an interest in. Does everybody agree with me on that, or does anyone disagree with that? Yeah, I heard about it a while back, but as soon as he tweeted about it, Doge jumped. Exactly, because what we've got is the stock market paid in jam. See what I mean, Martin? Am I right? Someone tell me I'm right. In fact, you don't need to tell me I'm right. I know I'm bloody right. It's ridiculous. And there we go. Suddenly a stock price jumps because Elon Musk tweeted it. It wasn't because Dogecoin have just built the biggest factory in the world and they're making Dogecoin. It was because Elon Musk tweeted it that you can buy an overpriced Tesla hat or a keyring with Dogecoin. The Dogecoin community love it and the stock price goes up. Have we missed the closing bell? Yes, we have. The bell went. Did you not hear it? Ding, ding, ding. There it was. Real good ploy for the money. Absolutely. Brilliant. Yes, you're right. Damn, I know I'm right. It's ridiculous. In a minute, I don't know. In a minute, let me think of somebody. Who's the CEO of, what's his name? Cook. Is it Peter Cook? What's his name? Tim Cook. Tim Cook is going to come on Twitter in a minute and he's going to say, you can buy Apple merchandise from this particular shop, which will be $1 keyrings that we sell for $50, and you can buy it with Shiba Inu. Oh my God! Can you imagine the market? The market would go nuts. The whole Shiba Inu would go up 5 million%. Everybody would be running around like a headless chicken. Oh my God! I can buy an Apple keyring with my Shiba Inu. I knew Shiba Inu was going to go to $1 million. You're absolutely right. That's what will happen. Hey, look, we've got New York Man's in the house. Right, he's one of our gold members. So, first of all, we've got to do some business. Our gold members, right, everybody, I need your help now. New York Man is in the house. So what we're going to do is we're going to go to the homepage of the YouTube channel. Here is my YouTube channel. Now, Market Profit is going to come in now and tell me off. He's going to come in and say, I thought this was a financial channel. It's all about self-promotion. But before you do say that, Market Profit, remember, this is a member of our channel. The New York Man, it's his channel that I'm promoting, not mine. Not mine, it's his channel. Right, so New York Man, here we go. Here's his channel, live here on my channel. And as part of his gold plan, he gets his channel promoted. So we click on it here. And he's all about fancy retro cars. I tell you what, who like this. Martin Redding will like this. Martin Redding is a sports car man. He would love this. Just like my Corvette. Hat's $20 to $25 just because it's got Corvette hat on it. And guess what, Martin? You can buy it with Shiba and Dogecoin today. Oh, God. So now Shiba's going to be worth $10 trillion. All right, here we go. Here is New York Man. He's on 22. I want to see New York Man get onto 25 subscribers live on the show. And I do not apologize for doing that. This channel is here to help people. It's here to grow and everyone to earn and make money and make friends and so on and so forth. So there you go. I've put New York Man's YouTube channel in the chat. I want all my friends to go and subscribe on it. It's a great one. You're going to love that. And love that cut. Love that image. Love the colour of that. That is just lovely, that is. I know Martin Redding will be all over that. He'll love that. And we'll come back in a minute and we'll see if that channel has gone up by at least 1 subscriber. All right? I would guess it would make 25 subscribers. Do you also invest in Britain? Yes, I do. Yes, I do. And this is how I do it. I have an eTORO account. I have a WEBULL account. And you're very welcome, New York Man. I'm probably going to get told off in a minute for promoting your channel, but I don't care. You support me, I support you, and so does all our family. There we go. Right. What are we doing? Yes, you asked about my UK stocks. Yes, I've got stocks in Tesco's, which is a good old supermarket, and other one, British Telecom as well. Yes, indeed. There you go. And if anyone comes on our channel, let me tell you the first thing that you want to know about our channel. It's a channel to support, help everybody, make money, learn from each other, profit, grow their businesses, grow their money, and everything. All encompassed in all in one thing. If you want to just see a man doing stocks and shares, talking facts and figures, and no entertainment, no community, just turn on the, I don't know, the CNBC news or whatever it is, and you'll get all that. They won't help you. They won't give you any free money. Yep, just subscribed to you earlier this week. Car guy support. There you go. Right, let's have a look. Let's have a look. So did he go up? Here we go. He was on 22. I'm going to zoom in. There we go. I bet you any money it's gone up. You ready? 22 is now 23. Boom. Boom. There we go. Thanks, guys. Thanks ever so much for supporting New York Man. Great stuff. Okay. We missed you this morning. We had a very, very dramatic morning this morning. You missed the cash giveaway as well. You could have won some money. This morning, the money went to Alicia April, who then donated it to Bill for his scooter fund, his electric scooter fund, which is very, very nice. He needs that to get around because as he's disabled. Hello, Dr. Nathan Smith. How are you this afternoon? Good to have you here, mate. You just missed a bit of drama. You missed a bit of drama. I got told off. I got told off today. I think that's the first time I've been told off. Anyway, every Friday we have the cash giveaway. Virgin Galactic is just dropping down, just like I predicted. I said to you it might rise up a bit in the after hours, but not very much. I don't anticipate that because I would expect we've got no trading, obviously, over the weekend, and then Monday will be a bit of a sell-off again. What happened? Market Profit came on, and he said to me, where's his quote? He said to me, what did he say? Here it is. He said, this channel is so weird. Is this a stock market channel or a self-promotion channel? And I just spent 20 minutes talking about barcoding stocks, and then I decided to mention Bill's mobility scooter. The fact that we raised him some money and stuff like that, and Market Profit says I was self-promoting. Well, there you go. I was promoting our friend. And now I've just promoted New York Man as well and got him to some subscribers. If you didn't get that channel, by the way, it was Dr. Smith actually who said to me, could you put a link where we can follow all the subscribers' YouTube channels? And I actually told you about that. It's all on my homepage. This is New York Man, and actually on the homepage of my YouTube channel are all the silver and gold members who actually have subscribed. We've actually got 4 YouTube channels, as you can see, promoted there. There's 4, let's see. There we go, and we help everybody. And the more there is, the more I'll promote, and the more that, you know, the more we'll share with everybody. All right. Okay, let's have a look. We've got one of our old-time guests in. Xpeng is going to be the next Tesla. No, I don't think so. I don't believe that. I'm not a fan of the Chinese market, and I think Tesla is so much more than a car company. That's the thing. The genius behind, you've got to remember, most CEOs who run a company are business-orientated people, and that's all they are. Majority of CEOs are CEOs. Elon Musk is the chief engineer at Tesla, and his creative mind and his idea for vision is not something that can be copied and repeated around the world very easily. So, you know, I'm not too sure that another company can ever take the place of Tesla. Now, not to say it won't in time, but I think Elon Musk is a very hard act to follow. That's my opinion. I'm so happy to have donated to the scooter, as Paddy. Lovely. Hell of a Friday. I was up this morning. I finished up 0.02. Smash the like. There we go. I always am proud to help Bill. Lovely. New York man. What part of New York are you from? That's what friends are for. Good times and bad times. I'll be on your side forever. Oh, hang on a minute. That's good times and bad times. I'll be on your side forever. Isn't that some song? That's what friends are for. I don't know. Something like that. I can't remember. After the UK news about the Chinese spy, I wonder if that will impact confidence in Chinese stocks. We've discussed it many times here on the show, WEBULL, and most people that watch this show, most people, not everybody, most people will say they don't believe in the Chinese stocks. Now, it's a difficult one for Bill, because Bill, you may notice, is a member of the Qin dynasty. He has lots of friends in China, and he's very, very proud of his Chinese connections, and he will have a slightly different opinion. But the majority of people in here don't like Chinese stocks. Not everyone. We've got some investors in here who like Alibaba, for example, and that's a Chinese company. So it's just a matter of opinion, where you sit and where you feel. I'm from Manhattan, but I live in Detroit at the moment. Lovely. Hey Martin, where are the naked ladies on TikTok? Let's talk to TikTok right now, shall we? All right, here we go. Here's all my TikTok crowd. These are my TikTok crowd. This is TikTok, by the way, folks. This is where I have 10,500 followers now over on TikTok, and one of my videos is on 250,000. It's quite something, right? And the picture quality doesn't look as good because I'm taking a picture of a picture. And that's what that is. You need to go and see it on TikTok if you want to be part of my TikTok army. But yeah, mostly, it has to be said, the people on TikTok are there looking for naked ladies. They are. Most are. And a few of them will actually come over and be part of the main trade. We get about 10 to 15, sometimes 20%. Up and down, that average is up and down that come onto YouTube. So it's a good thing to do. TikTok is a great way to promote your YouTube channel. Most certainly is. Obviously, it's on a phone, so the quality is not very good. And random people have been given the opportunity, and it is just random that you get the opportunity to use RTMP, and that is streaming from your computer. Unfortunately, I've never had that given to me, so I can't actually do that. Anyway, how did everyone finish today? Well, let's have a look. We did the score, didn't we? I was actually down. Hang on. Surprise, surprise, I'm down. Well, there we go. No, I was up. I'm up 0.5%. I think the winner... Who was the winner? Wasn't it... I think it was Bubble, wasn't it? Bubble. Hang on. Let's have a look. Have we missed the closing bell? Yes, you're right. Have we done the day trader of the day yet? Have we done it yet? I don't think we have we? I don't think we have. No, I don't think we have. So let's do it. I don't think we have. I don't know how I missed it. Right, nope. Okay, wait. Queen of celebrating. Wait. Believer Bubble wants to go for it. He wants to win. He wants to win twice in one day. He's being all cheeky now. Point. Right. Okay. Wait. What is it with you guys? It's my show. You know how it goes. Right. I'm up 0.47. Right. You ready? I've just dropped back to 0.42, but anyway, whatever. I'm up 0.47. Right. You don't go until we give you the timer. You ready? Wait for the timer. I don't know why no one's listening to me. You were too busy I was too busy self-promoting. Too busy trying to get some money for my mate Bill and his scooter. And then New York Man and his YouTube channel. You're right. I wish Market Profit could have come back and discussed it with me. But obviously he just decided, no, I'm done with it. Bye. You can't please everyone, can you? It's impossible. I would rather be a small channel with engagement than a massive channel just to get YouTube followers and just... No, that's not what I do. That's not who I am. Right, okay. Going to give you a timer now. Put the timer on. And here is the 1 minute clock to give me your scores, even though some of you are cheating already. Here we go. 1 minute from now. Nice. I grew up on the 85th and Riverside. BBIG got me doing today. Up 0.02. I can't wait. Hi Musa, good afternoon to all. Musa says also you can use your link on Stockwits as well. What's that? What's Stockwits? What's that all about? Up 0.88. Down 7%. Ay. We are family and I love it. There we go. Crypto Cam is up. Hey, Crypto Cam. 4.12. Where's Queen? Where's Queen's score? Where's Queen's score? Where did you put her score up? 14.73. That could be a winning score. In fact, I'm pretty sure it is. Wow, hang on a minute. But Crypto Cam has just come in as well. Let's have a look. He was in before the horn. There we go. 4.12. Quite right, Martin. This is a great channel. Thank you very much. 14.73. Up. Believer Bubble. I told you it's very, very rare that the same trader wins in the morning and the evening. Very, very rare. Queen, I got out of BBIG 4 months ago, and it is dog. It is a dog. Trust me, I think that means. Up. Alt Moose. 14.25. But you know what, though? Queen has taken it. The Queen of Self-Braiding. Absolutely fantastic. Do you know what? I love promoting the Queen of Self-Braiding. Queen, I'd love to invite you. Just try it. Just try it for a month, right? Go up, upgrade to silver. It's only $2 a month more. And if you do that, I can promote you a lot more than I do already because there's the invite to join. I can put you on the homepage of my YouTube channel, right? That's the first thing I can do. Where's my channel gone? I can put you on the homepage of my YouTube channel. Plus, we can drop your name. Where's it gone? I've deleted my own channel. That can't be right, can it? And we can put you in the chat much more often, so you'll get a lot more subscribers. Look, I want to put you here on the homepage, like our other team. All right, silver or upwards, you get that privilege. Okay, let's have a look. I'm up 14%. Well done. I'm just happy I'm still up. Yeah, I would be. Nice one. Okay, let's give Queen of Self-Braiding a first of all a thank you for the honest trades. I appreciate that, and a thumbs up, and of course a big round of applause. And blow the horn. Absolutely brilliant. Absolutely brilliant. Okay, now during the show, during the live shows, I am looking for sidekicks. Do you know what sidekicks are? You know what sidekicks are? Is when you got like sort of entertainers who run alongside you. So when you know what I'm about to say, you drop it in the chat. So you drop it in the chat, you know, round of applause, blow the horn, all these catchphrases. You know when they're going to come up, and you drop them in the live chat, and you become my sidekick, my entertainment double man, or whatever you want to call it, straight man or whatever. I'm not wearing tights. All right. Great job, Queen. You're absolutely brilliant. I tell you what, I early in the year with all the rises, you know, I had numbers like that, but not for a long time. My tech stocks haven't been doing that for quite a while. There's no question about that. All right, we've got a couple more things to do before we finish. But first of all, we haven't paid the bills today. We haven't paid the bills. You know how this works. You can skip the ad. Here it comes. Right. 10 seconds from now. There you go. Some of you saw the ad, some of you didn't. It's okay. All right. If you've just tuned in, thank you very much for being here. Lovely to have you here. Martin Redding, thank you very much indeed. But folks, pay the bills. That's it. I'm paying the bills. All right. So this is what's going to happen now. All the thanks is coming in. You're blowing up my channel again. You're blowing up my chat. I love it. I love when you blow up my chat. Let's have a look at the viewer activity. This is when we get the how much chat we've had during the show. Let's have a look. Here we go. We're on a chat rate of 4. What was it we got today? What was the chat rate? Can anyone remember what the chat rate was? I'm going to rewind that because look, this is a little thing you want to try and achieve, right? See here. This is the chat rate. We're on 4 right now. It's quiet. I think we got up to something like 50, 60, something like that. I can rewind it and find out. And we can have like a chat rate record. All right. That'd be fun. But right now we're on 4. You need a big crowd and everybody copying and pasting. Oh, hail the Queen. There we go. Now the chat's blowing up. Look, watch it. You can see it actually start to move. It's on 4 right now. Keep watching. Keep watching. I'm going to join in. I'm going to join in with WEBULL. Hang on. I've lost the flipping screen now. You broke me. You broke it. Oh, here it comes. Here it comes. All right. Viewer activity. Analytics. There you go. Chat rate of 4. It might blow up in a minute. All hail the Queen. Absolutely awesome. All right, there you go. That's where it says there, look, chat rate of 4. I'm surprised it didn't jump up there, actually. Surprised. It's because it's one person. It's very clever. It's very technically clever. If only one person does it, it doesn't do a great deal. But everyone's got to join in. All right. Okay. Well, folks, you've been great today. It's been a difficult week for everybody. A very difficult week. We've had one of our friends, of course, over there in England with COVID in hospital. We got the good news, he's feeling better. Of course, we've had Ballas here, who's not been very well. We've had Muzanella, who's not been very well. Okay, everyone's playing the game now, right? You decided to play the game? All right, I'm going to join in then. Okay, so I'm going to do love you all. There we go. Copy of that. See that. Right. Boom. You want to see how you spam a channel? That's how you spam a channel. That's professional spamming. There you go. Look, there. Now it's up to 18. I think the record today it got to about 70. It went mental. Look, there it is. Chat rate 18. See it? There you go. It's a good thing. Anyway, right. That's enough of all the silly nonsense. If you want to blow up your channel, just sat Trump, say Trump, is it? LOL, yeah. Get well soon. That was 38 now. There you go. Look, it's 38. 38. Chat rate is 38. All right. I think we had I tell you what we'll do. We'll go from now. This will be the record. Okay. Whatever this is now. This will be the record. We're playing a bit of a game at the minute, Ryan. You just come in at the end of the show, and we're trying to like get an all-time chat record, and then that will be our record, and we'll record that. And anyway, so you will be by Tuesday. The Fab Four. There we go. What's going on? Be back. Yes, back on Tuesday. There's no trading now until Tuesday. The chat rate has got to 38. I think that's it. Oh, 40. It's made 40. Right, have a great weekend, everybody. Remember to stand by what you believe in and hold your ground. Everything's now going sideways, as you can see. We're not here Monday. There's nothing to do until Tuesday, okay? I might have some videos come out. So if you've rung the bell and you've set notifications to all, you will be notified of those videos. So if you see those, if and when they pop up, I've got no plan to make any, but if they do, breaking news, you know about that. So 40 was the record. I'm going to write that down. The chat rate was 40. Have a great weekend, all. Have a great weekend. Have a great weekend, all. That's it from me. Well, I'm just going to leave you with my final thought. I want to thank everyone ever so much for being here. I'm sorry Market Profit told me off. I got told off, Muzanella. You wasn't here, but I got told off today. Market Profit complained. He said, I thought this was a stock trading channel. What's about all the promoting? And at the time, I was talking about Bill and his scooter. And then I talked about New York Man with his YouTube channel and stuff like that. And that was just after 20 minutes of talking about barcoding on stocks. But there you go. You can't please everyone. One thing I've noticed running a YouTube channel, as it gets bigger, I get more and more comments, particularly on TikTok, Reddit, Twitter. People say all kinds of things. And it does hurt because you want to do what's best for everybody. But you got to remember, you can't. It's impossible. Everybody wants your channel to be a certain way. They want you to be a certain way. And my final thought of the day, for those people that want a channel to be a certain way and be a certain type of channel, you know what you should do? Can anybody guess? Go and build your own channel and do it, and I'll support you. Take care of yourselves and each other. Surprise! I'm still here. This is like one of those little magic things that happens at the end of the video. I wanted to see if anybody would still be here. So I'm gonna stay here for like 30 seconds and see if anybody stayed on. I'm gonna go again, but I just wanted to see what would happen if I pretended to go. See you at good night, my channel. Yes, have a good weekend over there. Good night, everyone. I've got to talk to an Easter egg. I've got to talk to Muzanella about his channel as well. Absolutely right. And have a good long weekend over there. LOL. See, I surprised you. Welcome back. See, you thought I'd gone, didn't you? Oh, Jacqueline Fed just subscribed. Look at that, Jacqueline Fed. Hey, maybe I should go and come back more often. Jacqueline Fed just subscribe to me. It's like one of those B-roll videos, you know, when the video finishes, you watch 3 hours of credits and then they pop up right at the end. They pop up at the end and you never know what's going to happen. So that fooled you, didn't it? I'm not going to do it again, I promise. I'm going to end now, and I'm not going to be here. I'm going to be gone. Click subscribe. Absolutely. It seems to work. If I just go off and just, you know, whatever. Bye.